Hello students, today we are going to discuss verbs. Students, we know very well no sentence can be formed without verb. Whether the sentence is action or non-action, both need a verb to complete their sense. Now read these sentences. Varun is talking to Soumya. I do my work every day. Here the words is talking and do. Tell us what the subject Varun and I are doing or do. Students, in these sentences is talking and do verbs showing action. So these verbs are doing verbs. Now read these sentences. Veena is an intelligent girl. Mihir was happy. Here the word is and was. Tell us about Veena and Mihir. Students, in these sentences is and was are verbs, and these verbs tell the position or state of being of the subject. This means that the verb is and was are being verbs. Now read the following sentences. The chair has 4 legs. Meena had a pink dress. Here the word has and had tell us what the chair and Meena possesses. Students, in these sentences there is possession. This means that the verb has and had are verbs showing possession. Students, a verb is used to denote what a person, thing or animal does, what a person, animal or thing is, or what a person, animal or thing has. So students, verb जो है पोजीशन को इंडिकेट करती है, एक्शन शो करती है एंड पोजेशन को शो करती है. Let's know more about verbs. Doing verbs. Most of the verbs fall into this category of doing verbs such as eat, read, drink and so on. Students, बहुत सारी verbs जो हैं doing verbs की category के अंदर आती हैं as like read, eat, drink, etc. These verbs have different forms to indicate present, past and future. इन verbs की जो different forms होती हैं present, past और future को show करने के लिए. Examples: in present we say I ate. In past I ate. And future I will eat. Be verbs. Be verbs are is, are, am, was, were, will be and shall be. These verbs denote being. ये verbs जो हैं पोजीशन और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स को शो करती हैं. ये these verbs tell the position और state of being of the subjects. is, are, am प्रेजेंट के लिए यूज होती हैं. was, were used for past. will be and shall be used for future. Have verbs. Have verbs are have, has, had, will have and shall have. These are the verbs that show possession. ये possession show करने के लिए यूज होती हैं. Has and have जो है वो present के लिए यूज करते हैं. Had is used for past and will have and shall have used for future. Now next is exercise. Students, you have to complete exercise A yourselves. Next is object of a verb. Student, remember, object always answers the question what and whom. Object हमेशा what and whom का आंसर करता है. हमें ये ध्यान रखना है. ओके. Jugal loves cricket. If we say Jugal loves what, then the answer will be cricket. Now Jugal loves what? Now cricket word is giving answer of question what. So cricket is object here. Meena scolded Veena. Meena scolded whom? Now Veena is giving answer of the question whom. So Veena is object here. So student, keep in mind, object always gives the answer of question what and whom. Next, transitive verbs. Students, what are transitive verbs? The verbs which require objects to complete their sense are called transitive verbs. Students, read these groups of words. Veena loves. Mona likes. Veena loves what? These are not sentences. They are incomplete. Veena loves. Now question is what? what she loves. Question arises. They are because they are not complete and require objects to complete their meanings. If I say, student, I say Veena loves, Mona likes. These sentences, these are groups of words. These are incomplete because they do not give complete sense. When we add Veena loves Chinese food, Mona likes ice cream. When we added Chinese food and ice cream, then they gives complete sense. Okay student, in these sentences loves and likes are transitive verbs. मीन्स टू से ऐसी verbs जिन्हें कंप्लीट होने के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट की नीड रहती है. मीन्स टू से बिना ऑब्जेक्ट के वो कंप्लीट नहीं होती. ऐसी वर्ब्स को क्या कहते हैं? ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स कहते हैं. जैसे कि हमने सेंटेंस में सीखा वीना लव्स. अब ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट नहीं था, ये सिर्फ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स था. लेकिन जब हमने ऐड किया वीना लव्स चाइनीज़ फूड, मीन्स टू से चाइनीज़ फूड क्या है? वीना लव्स व्हाट. व्हाट का आंसर देता है ऑब्जेक्ट, हमें पता है. ठीक है, तो चाइनीज़ फूड क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट. मीन्स टू से ऑब्जेक्ट लगने के बाद इनकी सेंस कंप्लीट हुई. तो हमें यहाँ क्लियर किया कि ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स जो हैं वो अपने आप में कंप्लीट नहीं होती, उन्हें सेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट की नीड रहती है. स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक इट्स इनफ फॉर टुडे. ओके स्टूडेंट, गुड बाय.